السلام عليكم، كيف حالكم أصدقائي؟ Today we are gonna learn the letter تاء and how to write it in different ways. Let's start. هيا بنا. First of all, the letter تاء is similar to the letter ba and also the letter تاء. So the first word we have today is تفاح. تفاح. And تفاح meaning apples in English. As we can see, تفاح contain 4 letters تاء, فاء, ألف, and ha. And this is how we can write these letters plus the original shape. So the ta will be like this because it came at the beginning of the word. The second letter fa, it will be because it came in the middle. Although alif and the last letter ha, it will be in the original shape because it came after one of the 6 letters which can't connect with other letters on the left side, and these letters is alif, dal, zal, ra, zay, waw. Try to name the letter in this word and leave it in the comments. That's it for today. Don't forget to practice and subscribe. Bye.